Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide all Facebook photos. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Facebook application. Once you open Facebook, then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. And here you need to click on settings. And once you are in setting, then you need to scroll down, and in privacy you simply need to click on profile and tagging, and then you need to click on who can post on your profile. Then you need to click on only me, and the second option is who can see what other post on your profile, and then you need to click on only me also, and then you need to click on allow others to share your post to their stories, and you need to change that option to only me also. Let me do that. Okay, and then you need to click on tagging and change that to only me. So by following these steps, no one is able to see photos that you share. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.